Let's learn how you can verify your Binance account. So let's start by opening our browser. Now you want to go to binance.com website and click on your account, then click on settings. Now you want to click on dashboard or account, whatever you have, but if you don't have verified account, this should appear on your dashboard. So this verify account option, and you want to click on verify now. Here it will say let's get you verified, so you need to choose your residence, document, country, and document type you will use for your identity verification. For myself, I will use ID card and click on continue. So you can choose to upload from device or verify with phone. I prepared my phone right here, so I will use phone. So you just need to scan this code right here, and it should open on another device, the camera. So now when camera opened on another device, you want to allow access to Binance if you didn't already, and you just need to scan your ID card. I won't capture everything because I'm sharing my document, so I will let you know when I'm finished with verifying.
Successful.
Now when you're finished, you want to fill up this that I'm doing on my phone. Just click on continue when you're finished, and you will be under review. Now you need to wait 15 minutes, as you can see right here, and after 15 minutes a verification code should be sent to you if you done everything correctly as Binance asked, and after that your account will be verified. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.